Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I went and did a Harbor Freight haul. Go watch the video. I did a video on why I bought these tools right now, so go check that out if you like Harbor Freight stuff. One of the things was this air belt sander. It's a 3/8 air belt sander. So I thought I'd open that up here. So there's that tool right there. Nice little belt sander. It comes with a couple belts right here, which I'll show you how to put on. And surprisingly, this is the only one that came with one. But it actually came with an air fitting that actually works with my tools, which is nice. Usually you don't get the air fitting, and usually even if you did, they wouldn't work for whatever fittings you're using them for. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to wipe off my hands a little bit yet again so I don't get... I oiled these up before I tested them. I've already went through and tested them. To make sure they all work, but now we got the belt right here. Make sure it's not plugged into air, obviously, and it's pretty simple seaming anyway. I haven't actually done it. This is the first time I'm doing it right here on video with you, but it appears it should go up over the top of that, just like that, and then there's a little button right here. Hopefully you can see that, and you push on it, and that allows the pressure to pop this up right here, and puts pressure on the belt here, and that seems pretty good. That's all the way off. So there you go. There's how you put the belt on. Now it also appears that this somehow, yet again, haven't read the directions, haven't looked at anything, comes with this little tool right here, and about the only thing you can use it in is this right here. Right on the top here, there's a thing for the Allen wrench. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, I'm assuming. Loosen that up. And this will actually pivot a long way. I wouldn't want to use it like that, but if you really had to. And it appears to go both directions all the way around here. So, when you're using it, you can put it wherever you want, it appears. I would not crank down on that too much. I have a feeling this isn't going to last long if you're really reefing on that. Just crank it until it, you know, back it off. Make it so you can turn it whatever way you want it. And then snug it down a little bit and see if it's going to move on you. I didn't have to tighten it hardly at all, and it doesn't move. So yet again, you're responsible for your own safety and for your own knowledge of your tools, but this should give you a pretty good idea of how this little thing works. Put the tool back in there. I straightened it out. We'll just stick this back in the box for now. And at some point in time, you will see this in a video, hopefully working on my Mustang. Well, hopefully you got something out of that. Go check out my Harbor Freight playlist. That's the best way to watch a lot of these videos if you want to look at some of the other tools I got from Harbor Freight. I actually have a lot of Harbor Freight stuff in that playlist, so go check it out if you're a fan of Harbor Freight, or if you're not. And you'll be able to see what I think of different tools, good, bad, and otherwise. So, as far as these tools, I do think that they're all pretty good for the money. That therein lies the for the money. That's where it is. Well, there you go. Now you know. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.